Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lead capture page using WordPress. So let's go. So here I am in the dashboard of one of my WordPress websites. I have about 10 websites. This one right here is realisticpay.com. You're welcome to go check it out. I'm actually in the process of hiring a full-time blog writer for this website. This is a website that has everything to do with making money online, so you can check the website out if you'd like. It's realisticpay.com. I will leave a link below. So we are in here. And what you would want to do is obviously, if you're searching for this, you probably already have WordPress, you probably already have a domain name, and you probably already have hosting. This video is assuming that you've already taken care of those three things. You have to have a domain name, you have to have hosting, and you have to have WordPress installed. So once you have that, then this video is for you. We're going to come in here and you can, there's different ways. If we have time, I will also try to show you another way or another. We'll try to find a plugin together that will make it easier to do this as well. But for now, I'm going to use Elementor, and it's the free version. So I'm going to go Elementor right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to posts. You can do posts or page. I'm just going to go ahead and add a new, and in this case, it would probably be a page because you're doing like a lead page, opt-in page. So we're going to do add new page. And let's just say that this is, maybe it's titled free gift or my free gift giveaway, or whatever you want to call it, free gift or giveaway, or whatever you want to call it. So then that's all you have to do in this box right here. And then what we're going to do actually is we're going to go edit with Elementor because we've installed Elementor. And actually, you know what? I didn't show you how to install Elementor. So you're going to actually go over to plugins and go add new, and then come over here and type in Elementor and let it load. And then here's Elementor. I have it active. All you're going to do is just push install now and then activate, and then it will be on your site, right? In this plugin right here, you can see 5 million active installations, 5,600 5-star reviews. This is literally the best plugin, period, for WordPress in my opinion. So come back over here with that page that we just created. And here's my free gift giveaway, and you can just push the edit with Elementor, the button right here. Okay, so once we have everything installed, you have Elementor, and we create our page, you're going to go in there and you're going to select to edit with Elementor. So now we're on our page, my free gift giveaway right here. Okay, so then now we have this, and we can get rid of sidebars, we can do all that sort of thing, right? But right now we're going to kind of really focus on, because this is branding, you're branding yourself, which is great. But really what we want to do is we can come in here on this page and we can go ahead and we can do a title, we can do an image. I'm going to go heading here real quick, and we're going to type something in. This is my amazing offer free. Something like that. You have a big headline. We can make that bigger, smaller. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, even bigger. Then we can also center it. And then what we can do for this page, right, is we can come in here and add in a text over here. I'm going to add a text underneath. Let's just say it's right here. Click on here and write it in this box. You can also write in the box too. In this free how to make your first online in the next 14 days. And you can also do a bullet point if you want. You can make this into a bullet point here. I will also give you 5 over the shoulder trainings, HD video, stuck. Something like that, right? And we can, grab one and we can bold it bigger if we want, an H2, so different things you can do. You can do all kinds of sort of different things with this funnel or with this Elementor tool. So then now, how do we get around? How do we add in our form where you're going to collect a name and email address, right? And I told you we're using the free Elementor plugin. Now, in order to get the professional version, it's $49. I think for one site. We'll come over here, just check it out. Elementor pricing. Just type that in, and we'll come over to right over here and see what the pricing is. thought it was 49. So yeah, for one site, it's $49 per year. For 3 sites, it's $100 per year. So it is a premium tool that is going to cost money. And one of the issues you will run into is when we come over here and we want to add a widget, right? So we're going to come over here and we want to add a form and link that up with like GetResponse, your autoresponder, right? Or Aweber or that sort of thing. So you won't be able to do that if you don't have. So look at all the stuff down here, all these tools that you don't get unless you have the premium version. And you will run into some issues with that, right? But all the basic stuff, you can make it look really, really good. A way around that is just go to Aweber or GetResponse or whatever you're using and create a new form. I went ahead and did that already, but all you're going to do, like in GetResponse, you're going to go to Create, and then you're going to go to Create Form, and just pick a template. You can change it up around, and then you're going to go ahead and get this JavaScript code, HTML code. You're going to copy that. You're going to come back over here, and then right here, we're going to go ahead and add some more text right here. And then I'm going to go in here and edit this text. We're going to delete this, and then we're going to come over here. This is important. You select the text instead of visual. This will allow us to add in code, and we're just going to paste our code in, and you can see that we're adding in a form right here. Okay, so then that's how you do that. That's the workaround to using Elementor, but then still being able to add in a form. Okay, and you can see there's buttons all over the place. They're going to continue to try to get you to go pro, but you can really do a lot without having to actually purchase the premium version. Then you can just push publish. So we'll just push the publish button, and that's right down here. There's a button down here, and then we can look at our page that is now published. Oops. Okay, so here we are, we're viewing our page. You can see there's a sidebar. We can take care of that as well, but just wanted to show you how to build this part. So you have the free gift to give away. This is my amazing offer. You have some stats about it, and then you have an opt-in page right here, right? You have an opt-in page, email, and then they click this button, and then they'll send them over, and it works great, right? And you can create a custom one. I just use a template for now. So a way to get rid of all this other stuff over here is you just use what WordPress already gives us. So you can go back in over here, and then you just push the edit button, and you don't want to edit this part in Elementor. You come into over here, and then what we can do is, depending on what theme you have, you'll have different options, right? But we can go over here to Elementor full width. You can go theme, full width, layout. One of these, the Elementor full width, and push update. That one should be it. But you just go into a full width page, and it should get rid of, yeah, see? So the full width, go select full width, and then it's going to get rid of the sidebar. And then there's other things we can do to get rid of the top there as well. But then now you have a nice opt-in page, right? So one other thing before we get done with this video is you're able to come over here. If we exit out and come back over here, we can actually do add new page. I'm just going to call it test real quick. We can come back in over here. I'm just going to call it test. It's a test page. We are going to edit with Elementor again. And once that loads, I'm going to show you that there should be some templates in here, right? So we can come over here, there's a plus button, and then there's also a folder button. We're going to click the folder button, and we're going to come over here to all these different templates right here, right? And we can look and see if there is a, squeeze, opt-in. So you're just going to want to browse through here actually and see if we can find one. All right, so you're going to search through here, and you're going to just kind of come across some of them that have the ability to put in, like, for example, that one's pro. So most of them are pro that makes sense for you to actually add in contact information. But for example, let's just pick one. We're going to insert a template. And this template I've used before for a product launch actually, and it works really, really well. So it's actually going to insert the template into here, right? So you have this template and it's installed. And then what you can do is we can actually add in a block. You can keep the button there or not, but then you can add in a block. I'm going to push the plus button here. I'm going to go back to folders real quick, and then go to blocks over here, and then go to category and go to subscribe. And then it's subscribe to newsletter. Nope, those are all pro. And you can insert one like this one right here. You could insert that into here, and then when they click on that, you can send them, when they click the button, you can have them sign up to your email list. So there's a lot of things that you can do. I hope that this helped kind of create some of your brainstorming, or helped you along the way, that you can actually create these landing pages and opt-in pages with WordPress, and you can do it for free with Elementor, but it's gonna take a little bit of knowing your way around, right? And there are other ways that make it a lot easier. If you want to be able to simply create a landing page, a squeeze page, any of that really quickly, then I suggest clicking the first link in the description, and it'll take you over to what I believe is the best funnel builder that I've ever seen, and it's also 1/4 to 1/8 the cost of the most popular funnel builder out there that I'm not going to say the name of. So if you're interested, go check it out. That's what I'm using, and I hope you got value from this. If you did, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.